In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram story with multiple pictures and music. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using a Samsung Android, but you can do the exact process if you are on iPhone and any other phone, doesn't matter. What you need to do is first log in on Instagram and log into your account, the account that you want to make a story with multiple pictures. Then come on the main page and swipe to the right to open this page right here. After doing that, you need to record your video, okay, the story that you want to put multiple pictures and music, or you can also use a photo. You can also import from your gallery right here, so you can select and import from your gallery. I will record a video, just for example, I will record my table. Okay, so I will record my table. Then you need to click on the third option right here. You will see 5 options. Click on the third option, the smile face, swipe down and find this option right here with two pictures, okay, and one plus icon. Click right here and select the picture that you want to put on your story. Okay, I put this picture right here, this image, and you can make this process many times that you want. So I will put 3 pictures. After doing that, you drag the picture, the image to the local that you want to use, okay? So drag to the local. Then to add the music, it is the same process. You need to click on the smile face and find music right here. So click on the music, and here you need to search the music that you want to put on your story. I will use this one just for example, but you can search any music. So click on the music. Here you can also select the time of the music that you want to use. You can also change the clip duration, put lyrics if you want, put nothing if you want to, and you have several options right here. I will put just music, click on done. Then you can share your story, okay? To make this, click right here and share your story, and that's it to make it an Instagram story with multiple pictures and music. I hope I helped you on how to make an Instagram story with multiple pictures and music. So, if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.